Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video we are back with another monthly product empties. So I hope you guys are excited, and without further ado, if you would like to know my thoughts and opinions on some products that I have recently finished up, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay you guys, I'm jumping into this real quick because a storm is coming in and I'm hoping to kind of run through it. Lucky for me, this one is a slightly smaller product empties than normal, but we're still gonna try and fly through it. So first things first, as always, I do have a candle to share with you guys. This is from Wishes Candle Company, and this is actually a I'm pretty sure like a small business, and I will have everything linked down below like I always do. But for my dad's retirement, he really liked the bare necessities things from the Jungle Book, and this was called Life's Bare Necessities. I can't remember the notes on this one, but I will write it on the screen for you guys because it doesn't say on the candle, but it has kind of like a fruity smell. It really is really nice, and the thing that I loved most about this candle is the fact that it came with a pin inside, a park pin inside. Now I will say I was a little disappointed that it wasn't like a Jungle Book kind of themed pin, because I feel like you missed an opportunity there, but I guess they can't really just put the same one in every candle because that would make no sense. But it was a cute little pink bear type of pin. I'm sure it's a character from something that I just don't know what it is, but it was really fun getting to burn the candle and like wait for the pin to appear and then be able to take it out and have a surprise. It did smell good, it did burn even, and my dad really liked it. So I would definitely buy from this brand again. I think it's great that it's a fun little surprise and you get a smell that reminds you of something that you like in Disney. So we really enjoyed that. The next thing that I finished up were two different foaming hand soaps from Bath & Body Works. As always, I finished up this Pink Peach Blossom, which was Pink Nectar, Magnolia Petals, and Mandarin, as well as this Pineapple Mango. This was Fresh Pineapple Juice Mango and Vine Ripened Raspberry. They were both nice. You guys know it's hand soap. You got to make sure you're washing your hands. Between the two, the Pineapple Mango was definitely my favorite, but I would definitely get either one of these again. I think they smell nice, and I mean, they did the job. Got my hands clean. Next, I also finished up one of these mini Hello Beautiful shower gels from Bath & Body Works. I don't think this one tells me the notes on this technically, but again, I'll write it on the screen for you guys. I like their shower gels. These are great for travel in my opinion. This scent was nice. Kind of floral, but I liked it. You know, I would use it again. I get these when you get like the free thing for like $7.50. These are perfect again because I like to take them traveling with me, and they last quite a while because a little does go a long way. I did finish up this Molten Brown London Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. I got this in my Look Fantastic box. Maybe, I believe. If I'm wrong, I will put what I got it in from. But I was actually pleasantly surprised. Now, I use this as a bubble bath, not as a bath wash, because like I'm not gonna pour it out on my washcloth like this. I just like a squeezy thing better. At first I was like, oh, I'm gonna hate it, because you guys know how I feel about rose scented things. However, this actually smelled quite nice. It had more of like a fresh type of scent to it. I really didn't smell of rose. I enjoyed it. I don't think I would ever purchase it again because I just kind of used my Dr. Teal's stuff in the bath, but it definitely was not bad, and I would use it if I ever received it again. Speaking of Dr. Teal's, I did finish up a thing of their pure Epsom salt soaking solution. This is the Relax and Relief with Eucalyptus and Spearmint. This is my favorite type of bath salt to use. Like I already mentioned, I love Dr. Teal's. I've gone through I don't know how many bags of these, as well as the bubble bath type thing, and I think these are great. They really help with sore muscles. They're great for relaxation, and they're hypoallergenic, which is great so they don't cause any irritation in your nether regions. You know what I'm saying. As for another bath salt that I did finish up, I finished these Hannah Sienna Silky Papaya Infused bath salts. I got these in a FabFitFun box, I think, at some point. I've had these for a while. First of all, they smelled really nice. Very light, not too fruity or anything. I don't even technically know that you would say it smells like papaya. but I like the way they smelled. They looked really pretty. I loved the presentation and the packaging. However, I'm pretty sure I thought they were ridiculously expensive, especially because, like I've already mentioned, I love the Dr. Teal stuff and it's so cheap and I can get it at Walmart. So I don't think I would ever go like buy these myself, but they were really nice to use, and I think they would be nice if you were creating like a gift basket for a friend for any occasion, because they look really nice. And I think they probably have different scents where the bath salts would be different colors, because those were like light pink. So what else did I finish up? I also finished up another one of my Secret Clinical Strength deodorants. We've been here before, you guys. I sweat like a man. I am disgusting. This is the only thing that makes me not stink. Make sure you wear your deodorant, okay, my friends? Again, I finished up some more of my Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I am a broken record with this stuff, you guys, so I will not waste your time, but this is the best body lotion there is, hands down. It's expensive, but it is so worth it, in my opinion. I also finished 2 of the Starry Eyes, the self-indulgent warming eye masks. They have a ridiculously long name. I've mentioned these a couple times here on my channel. These are so great. You take them out of the pack. I don't know how they know, by what magic, but when you put them on your face, they immediately start warming up. They don't get too hot. It's very relaxing, and I would say they stay warm for probably 10 to 15 minutes. I think these are some of the most amazing eye masks that I've ever used, because it's a different take versus like wearing one under your eye. And like I said, I like to wear it when I get ready to go to sleep. Sometimes I'm still awake and can take it off. Other times I wake up in the morning and it is still over my face. Just depends on how I felt. I did finish up 2 of the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. These are okay. I'm going to start kind of phasing out my makeup remover wipes. I think I only have a pack or 2 left. I prefer the Sephora makeup wipes over these ones, but honestly, I just use these to remove swatches off my hands. I don't use makeup remover wipes to take off my makeup. I've mentioned many times that I have cleansing oils and balms for that. So I am definitely just trying to get through the ones that I have, and I think I'm going to try and find different ways to remove my swatches. I may use my makeup eraser for that, because I don't like to use that on my face either, but I just kind of want to do a little bit of my part to kind of help the environment, and instead of using so many makeup remover wipes, I'm going to try and find an alternative. But they are decent makeup remover wipes. They do what they're supposed to do. I did finish up a sample of this Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost like moisturizer. I did not think I was going to like this, because you guys know I have oily combo skin, more oily than combo, but I really like this a lot. It kind of reminded me of my Philosophy Take a Deep Breath moisturizer that I used to use all the time before they so disrespectfully discontinued it. It does have quite of a strong smell, way stronger than my Philosophy one had. It kind of smells like manly, but it is very hydrating, and it just felt really good on the skin. This little sample went a long way too. The only thing is I never wore it under makeup, because where I work now, I don't really need to wear makeup because I work outside. But I don't know how I would feel with it under my makeup, that it would help my makeup last at all. But just on my bare skin, out and about, I really liked it. It didn't cause me to break out and kept my skin feeling nice and hydrated. I also finished up one of my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Sprays. I love this stuff, you guys. I love this stuff so much. This is hands down, well, no, I say that because I love the Milani ones too, but this is one of my favorite setting sprays. I currently don't have any more. I'm trying to go through some other ones that I had in my drawer, and they just don't beat this out, you guys. This is so good. I have heard that because this is by the Scandinavia brand, that you can get their brand specifically, the Scandinavia brand, not Urban Decay, and they are just as good and cheaper. So maybe look into that if you're interested, but I really like this. I truly think that that does make my makeup last longer. I will buy more of that for sure. I finally finished up my Anastasia brow definer. I am in the shade dark brown. I have another one of these that I'm going to have to go through here in a little bit. It's funny because, so I don't mind this product, but I actually bought this by mistake. I like the Brow Wiz, and the packaging is so similar that at one point I bought 2 of these thinking they were the Brow Wiz. put them away because I still had a brow product, but they were on sale. And then when I finally pulled one out to use it, I realized it was not the Brow Wiz, it was the Brow Definer, and I could no longer return it because I was well out of my return date. So yeah, I learned to love it because I have to love it because I'm gonna get through them. But I definitely prefer the Brow Wiz, and when I say Brow Wiz at this point, I definitely mean the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. But they get the job done. It's what's in my eyebrows today. You guys have seen me use this 1,000 times. And I will say, there was a hair on my face. I am so sorry. It was like sticking in my eyelash and driving me crazy. I will say about this though, this lasted me longer than any other tiny brow pencil that I have ever had. Micro Brow Pencil from NYX, Brow Wiz from ABH. This lasted me what I feel is like eons. I don't even know how in the heck it lasted so long. It must have been some sort of magic. And the last product I have to talk to you guys about is actually a pair of lashes that have just finally bit the bullet. These are the Velour Wispy Sweet Nothing lashes. These are some of my favorite lashes. I have used this pair of lashes, I kid you not, probably upwards of 40 times, if not more. If you care for your lashes, which I have a video all about, how I pick my lashes, how I customize my lashes, how to care for your lashes, I'll link it up here. But these lashes have lasted me what feels like eons. They finally bit the bullet where like when I started cleaning them, they were kind of falling apart. So I had to part with them. I will definitely pick up more of these. These are such a beautiful lash style. They are full without being too full, and a little natural, but not too natural. They're like the perfect lash for me, in my personal opinion, so I absolutely love them. But yeah, you guys, that is everything that I have recently finished up. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on anything that I mentioned here today. And if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you hit that notification bell, you will never miss an upload from me. And last but not least, you can also come follow your girl on Instagram at AlyssaNPope, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Oh my god, you guys, this sky is so black. It's going to pour.